Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified. Today, we're tackling a super important topic: how to transfer your XRP from Uphold to your Ledger Flex wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know security is key, and moving your assets to a hardware wallet like Ledger Flex is a smart move to keep your XRP safe from online threats. This step-by-step guide is quick and easy, so let's dive right in. First, before we start, make sure you have the basics covered. You'll need an Uphold account with some XRP in it, and your Ledger Flex device should be set up, connected to your computer or phone, and updated to the latest firmware. If you're new to this, double-check those steps in your device settings. Step 1. Open the Uphold app on your mobile or desktop and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, head over to your dashboard and locate your XRP wallet. You should see your current balance right there. Step 2. Tap or click on the XRP wallet to open it, then look for the Withdraw or Send button. This is where the magic happens. Step 3. Now, switch to your Ledger Flex. Unlock your device using your PIN, and open the XRP app on it. Go to the Receive section to generate and display your XRP wallet address. Carefully copy this address. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so don't rush. Step 4. Back in Uphold, paste the Ledger Flex address into the recipient field. Then, enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Remember, XRP transactions might have a small network fee, so check that and make sure you have enough. Step 5. Review everything on the screen: the address, amount, and fees. If it all looks good, hit the Confirm button to initiate the transfer. Step 6. Sit tight. The transaction will go through the XRP network, which usually takes just a few minutes. You can check the status in both Uphold and on your Ledger Flex. And that's it. Your XRP is now securely in your Ledger Flex. A quick tip: always verify wallet addresses to avoid scams, and never share your private keys. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.